Seriously, if you don't know the food processing business and can't get excited about a fully refrigerated facility that's for sale, then don't bother to watch. However, if you're in the market for a modern cold storage processing plant with tons of extras, join us for this tour.
The main floor of the plant's 53,000 square feet. It started off with the original plant and then 4 major expansions. Most recent in 2006, which was the dry storage and dry receiving dock. The entire bottom floor is refrigerated, combination of freezer and just cold storage. Because it was a meat plant, all the production areas had to be refrigerated. Troy Spicer, I'm the Technical Services Manager for ACA Cooperative. We're coming down into the distribution area, so this is a hallway that kind of connects all the side rooms. There's a maintenance shop, which is centrally located in the plant, dry storage, and then distribution from there. This was the latest addition, 2006, which was dry storage. Nice high ceilings with a loading dock. The shipping area of the plant consists of 6 loading bays with vertical loading docks. So the loading dock stays vertical when the door is closed, which makes for a nice seal around the door. It does have another loading bay that was used for dry storage for our operation. Any type of manufacturing would flow through the plant and out to the shipping dock where there's ample room in the parking lot to back up a truck and trailer. Because it's in an industrial park, truck traffic is not an issue. Access to Highway 101 is easy. There's a freezer storage area. Behind these 4 doors is a blast freezing area. So you would put pallets of product in there and freeze them quickly and then bring them out here for storage. 420 to 450 pallet spaces. Refrigeration system, ammonia. Sprinkler goes into the racking, which is desired by the fire marshal. This was kind of the main production area for deboning chicken and packaging. Again, it's refrigerated. This is part of the original construction with the precast cement walls, as opposed to some of the newer areas with the insulated panel walls. And in this area, it's epoxy flooring, which is also desirable in the food industry for production areas, with coving, of course. And then off of this area is utility rooms. They are refrigerated. These are the curbing and coving that is required in a food plant. The walls are made of material that are easily sanitized. Another production area, there's a floor scale that sat in there. There was a spiral freezer that sat there, so all the ammonia piping still comes to this area. So in this area, again, it's just another production area. There was a spiral freezer right here, and again, the ammonia piping still comes out and is terminated there. In this area, the ceiling is a insulated panel ceiling, which means you can access above it. So there's about 6 feet of clear space above the ceiling. The plant was built in '86. It was a precast concrete building on slab. Some of the expansions that happened after that are steel structure with insulated panels. The whole exterior of the plant, other than the south wall, is insulated panel, and when you look outside, you'll see the precast concrete. It was built for further processed meats, and that's what it did until it closed. When this last expansion was done, the exterior wall was built in mind that if we were to expand again, we put oversized beams so it can handle another load, so that can be expanded out again. Similar to this expansion, the floor drain system, for example, protrudes out through the foundation wall, so if you ever did an expansion going this way, you could tie into that drain system. It does have some nice features for expansion. Electrical capacity is 3,000 amp, relatively new service. Most of the services down on the main floor were 600 volt. The major component that's left behind is out in the front of the building. 860 horsepower of ammonia compressor, 75 horsepower boiler, low pressure steam, and again, all the refrigeration throughout the plant has been left. This would be considered a class 2 refrigeration plant. There is an ammonia detection system throughout the plant. This is part of the sprinkler system. Again, it's a combination of dry and wet sprinklers, dry for the freezer areas and wet for the rest of the plant. That's it, I believe.